Hi everyone, I'm Ishibashi from Advantech in Japan. In this video, I would like to share with you about our new product MIO-2375 and MIO-5375 single boards that are both powered by the latest 11th generation Intel Core processors. Its code name is Tiger Lake UP3. These two small industrial single boards possess significantly enhanced AI computing performance and are a great option for users who want to embed AI native design into their products, especially in the factory automation, telemedicine, smart transportation, and smart city fields. I hope you enjoy this video. At first, introducing the Tiger Lake, which consists of the new Wilson Curve CPU core microarchitecture that employs the new Intel 10nm superfin process and a new Iris Xe graphics architecture. This high-performance CPU, up to 23% faster in single-thread performance, and Intel's new Iris Xe graphics offers twice the graphics performance. Tiger Lake supports low power consumption, excellent heat dissipation, and power to run multiple workloads including AI and deep learning applications on a single platform. The second feature is that Tiger Lake supports PCI Express Generation 4. PCI Express Generation 4 is new standard that achieves twice the transfer rate of PCI Express Generation 3. We have done benchmark tests to check the performance of PCI Express Generation 4. Benchmark results. As you can see, we have achieved the transfer rate as per the standard. You will really feel this performance improvement. The third feature is to support 4 simultaneous displays. In this case, we connected 50-inch touch panel to the LVDS port, portable monitor to the USB Type-C port, 27-inch monitor to the HDMI port, and 21-inch monitor to the DP port. This small product can display on 4 simultaneously displays. Next is case study. AGV have been utilized in various applications for a long time. Demands for AGV and AMR have rapidly increased due to a number of factors. These include increased use in manufacturing automation and e-commerce warehouse, as well as applications addressing human resource shortage. To meet this trend, Advantech proposed MIO-5375 to customers seeking early AMR market opportunities. Unlike AGV applications, real-time data collection and predictive reactive capabilities are crucial in AMR applications. AMR requires high-performance Edge AI computers to quickly process and execute sequential movements. Exactly, MIO-5375 is great product that can meet these requirements. The last topic is Advantech AI-native Solution. We see the AI-driven future on the horizon. while we also see users struggling with how to catch the flow. To bridge the gap, we would like to pitch the idea of AI native with both Advantech hardware and software offering to form a total solution. Because lacking any part of it, we weaken the strengths. I introduced MIO-2375 and MIO-5375 earlier. These products empower advanced AI capacity with up to 20% better CPU performance, double the graphics processing power, and 96 integrated execution units. Advantech AI-native solutions are capable of handling massive data and delivering outstanding responsive to the edge. Advantech Edge AI Suite helps users choose solutions efficiently by delivering integrated algorithm programs and SDKs. These features aid in validating and testing AI platform capabilities. And Edge AI Suite's quick start features enhance AI benefits instantly. Adopting Advantech's Edge AI Suite rapidly, reducing development cost and time to market. Our main goal is to help you get to market quickly and successfully. For more information, please contact the sales office which supports your region or check out our website. Thank you very much.